Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to deposit money in BET365 using Skrill. And well, this is really easy. The first step you're going to do is to go to the site of BET365, and right here you're going to log in. Once you log in, you're going to see this button right here called deposit. You're going to click it. Once you click it, once you click this button, you're going to click right here. Okay, you're going to click deposit again, and right here you're going to find the Skrill auction. Once you find and click the Skrill auction, uh, this page right here, we're going to ask you for information about Skrill. You're going to put all your information right here, and then you're going to select a deposit amount to to deposit to Bet365. And it's really easy, it's really simple. Well, I hope you can understand this. Please, uh, if this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.